Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to send videos on Gmail. So this is pretty simple, and let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Gmail account right here, and I'm going to select this compose option in order to create a new message. So right here I have to insert the email address that I want to send the message to. So I'm just going to insert one of my email addresses right here. And then of course you can type in the subject right here. So in order to send a video, what we're going to do is from the top right corner we're going to select the very first option right here and select attach file. So right here from my videos I'm just going to select the video that I want to upload, and let's say I want to send this one right here, and I'll have of course to wait until the video is uploaded. So if when the video is processed and it's uploaded, what I'm going to do is just hit this icon right here with a little arrow, and of course as you can see the video has been sent. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.